welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to unbox this pocket hole jig from Kreg called the K4. I had bought this a while back and briefly mentioned it in my Kreg AccuCut and Rip Cut video. A link to that video will be in the description below. This tool jig has been around many years now and is still known as one of the top go-tos for easy project assembling. There is numerous videos out there on this jig system, so I just want to introduce it on my channel, unbox it, and we'll plan on using it in upcoming videos and upcoming builds. One being a portable power carving dust collection platform where I can do the power carving and the dust collection will get sucked into it. So I'm going to try and plan that out and have that video out sometime soon. And so let's see what we have inside the box and check it out. Alrighty. So I've had this for quite a while and I've not opened it yet. So here we go. Alrighty. So we have a skill builder booklet. Exclusive offers inside. Free project plans. Alright, so it gives you some free plans to build some stuff. Check that out later. You got the owner's manual. Okay. We have this portable base. This is a portable base. We have the jig itself. So we got the board thickness measurements on here. We got the holes. You can have it in different areas. We got this clamp. The thickness of the wood. Okay, what else do we got in here? Dust collection port. Got a few screws. The special pocket hole screws that work with this. The driver bits. And the drill bit. Pocket hole plugs. Some more accessories. Adjustment knobs. Collar. Lock collar. And a clamp. So face clamp. Clear up the table and I'll show you the items in more detail. So here's everything it comes with. We have the base. Also we have the clamp. You can clamp it to your surface. There we go. You have your portable pocket hole jig where you can take out this and slide it into here. And then you can just use it on this part here and drill in this way. You can use one of these knobs to tighten it up. I got the dust collector, got this toggle, tighten up the workpiece in there. Some workpiece support stop, which this will be used on here. We got some extra screws, sample screws. We got 1 inch. So yeah, we got the 2.5 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch, 1 inch, like he said, and a number 7 1.25 inch. So it's a little bit smaller, skinnier. Okay, these are more. These got the flathead pan screw. Alright, so we got those. We got a spacer block. And we got the drill bit. Yeah, so this here is the stop collar. There we go. So this here is the stop collar. Put that in here. There's an Allen wrench. Tighten it up to the depth that you want. So let me do a little demonstration here. I'm learning this for the first time also. So we'll remove the portable base. We don't need that. We're going to use this piece here. So we're going to have this put in there. So I got tape measure. So this is a 2x4, which is supposed to be 1.5 inch thick. It's about 1 3/8 inch. So thickness of the board, 1 3/8 inch. Get a little tightener here. Alright, lock it in place. 1 3/8 inch. Alright, so I have this set up at 1 3/8 inch, which is the thickness of the board. Now I gotta measure the drill bit and put the stop collar on. So I will hand this to him over there. Alrighty. Okey-dokey. So I'm gonna have these ones measure 1 3/8 inch. Put the stop collar on. Okay, 1 3/8 inch. Tighten this up. So now this will fit right in here. Stop. So I'm gonna put 2 holes on each side. Get this into the drill. I'm gonna adjust this toggle. That in there. Alright, it looks tight. Let's give it a go. Alright, let's do the other side. This guy can do it. Here we go. Alrighty. I got my pocket holes. I'm going to join these. Alright, so we have this right angle clamp. This part right here will go into the hole on one side, so you can clamp it, get one screw in, then you can take it off, put in the other screw. So we'll try that right now. Let's unclamp this here. Do it like this. Too bad. So let me switch into the driver bit. Put in the drill driver. Take a screw. Take this clamp off. There we have it. "90 degrees." Works pretty good. Somewhat beat up 2x4s, but I'll be using this to make a frame and then a platform for my power carving, which I can hook up my vacuum and have a dust collection going. So I'll be planning on that coming up. Alright, just want to do a simple little demonstration of the pocket hole plugs. So say you have the screw put in here. Alright, say that's in the side there, like that. And then you take one of your plugs and this part will hit the screw that's inside the hole. Then this will stay flat on top of the surface. Just like that. You can put in some wood glue. Push that in right in there. And sand it off. Alright, on to the next part. Alright, so also on this jig, we have a storage spot for your drill bit and drill driver. So this right here, got a little spot right there. Clicks into spot. Okay. Get the drill driver. Okay. And it goes for the dust collector. It's easy to tighten that in there. We have a small vacuum hose. Insert that in right here. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll catch you later.